In this video, I'll be showing you how you can edit your profile on SoundCloud. Simple and easy. I'm going to show you guys how you add your bio and all that, profile picture and the rest. So on here, we move to library here. Good. So after tapping on the library, you can see your account there. You see the arrow there, just tap on that. It takes us to our account. So you can see our playlist is here, our reposts, our likes and all that is here. So this is a new account. That's why you see, few interactions. Now let's tap on the pencil here. Good. Now you can change your display name. You can see it here. So let's make it AKO, Michael with that. And your city, you can change that to as well. It's up to you. And let's make it New York City. And then the country is up to you. You can change that too as well. Let's change it to Greenland. You can add a bio too as well. Blah, 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 blah. And then you save it. You can see it's been saved. Now you add a profile picture by tapping on that. And you take the picture from your gallery or something. And you can also add a cover. And you do that too as well. After that, you tap on the save to save it. And that's it on how you edit your SoundCloud profile. If you are new here, just give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.